Today's the moment of truth. My car is going into the shop. I need front brakes. Oil pan needs to be looked at. I need a fuse replaced. And it's also time to start looking for a vacation. As an empty nester, these unforeseen circumstances, you got to make sure you have money put aside. Because if you don't, how are you going to fix your vehicle? Wow, talk about a great day. I just got out of the mechanics. My brakes are fine. The oil pan's fine. I do have a small leak, so what I thought was going to be a $2,500 work job, it's only going to be $700. So, yeah, it's a great day.